Top 5 ways to make money with cryptocurrency in 2022. Cryptocurrency is part computer science and part finance, but don't let that intimidate you. It's simple to get started and you don't have to be an expert. With a little smart investing and a little luck, you can make money online, even in 2022. While many people do pay for their purchases with crypto, it's more widely discussed as a form of investment, spurring whole websites that track the value of a single Bitcoin. 1. Cloud mining. Cloud mining has been developed as a way to mine cryptocurrency by using rented cloud computing power, without having the need to install or directly run any related software or hardware. People can remotely participate in cryptocurrency mining by opening an account and paying a minimal cost. Thus, cloud mining firms have made mining more accessible and profitable for a larger group of people. 2. Affiliate programs. Get paid to refer a friend. Emphasize the key takeaway of this video. There are many crypto affiliate programs that pay you for referring new users to their platform. Affiliate programs are free to join. Once you create an account, you'll be given a special unique link. You can start sharing the link however you'd like on social media, websites, blog, and forums. Whenever a person signs up or makes a purchase using your link, you will receive a commission. The biggest advantage is that it's quick to start and begin earning money. Plus, money would keep coming in days, weeks and months, even years after you put in all that effort. If you already run a blog or website or have a huge following on social media, affiliate programs can be a great way to make some good passive income. 3. Buy and hold. This is the most common way of earning money from cryptocurrencies. Most investors buy coins such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and more and wait until their value rises. Once their market prices rise, they sell at a profit. This investing strategy requires one to identify more stable and volatile assets that can shift in value rapidly, resulting in regular profits. Assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have been known to maintain regular price fluctuations. They can, therefore, be considered a safe investment in this regard. 4. Work for a cryptocurrency company. As crypto has expanded into the mainstream consciousness, so has the opportunity to work in the crypto industry. You could work for any of the hundreds of cryptocurrencies themselves, or for other companies or industries looking to take advantage of the crypto boom. In addition to developers, crypto companies need to hire for all the other roles of a growing business, including marketing, human resources, and cybersecurity. 5. Stake your crypto. The process of crypto staking is similar to locking your assets up in the bank and earning interest, similar to a certificate of deposit, CD. You lock up your crypto holdings in exchange for rewards or interest from the platform on which you've staked the assets. Many exchanges and platforms offer staking, with both centralized and decentralized options. You can even stake crypto from some hardware wallets. The lowest risk option for staking would be to stake stable coins. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time.